What's up guys? Today we're going to be showing you how easy it is to install SuperATV's Sway Bar Shock on this Polaris RZR Turbo S. The first thing we're going to do is go ahead and remove the cover off of the stock sway bar link. You'll have two 10mm bolts securing it. Here's our hardware from the top of our link. Just grab your sway bar link, your stock one, and go ahead and remove it. So once you've removed your stock sway bar link, you're going to want to lay it up next to the SuperATV Sway Bar Link Shock. Make sure that they're the same length. We've already confirmed ours are. So zip tied to the sway bar link itself, you're going to have your bushings or your spacers. The small spacers will go on the bottom. That'll be the adjustable side of the link, and that's going to go down into the trailing arm. So what I like to do is take one of my spacers, drop it down into the trailing arm, take my bolt, start it into the spacer as well as the link, and then on the opposite side, drop in the spacer, and just kind of finesse it around until it lines up. Just like that. And we are using our stock hardware for the lower bolt, which is going to go through the trailing arm, just like so. And then for the upper portion here, we'll go ahead and cut our zip tie off, just like so. And we will use the provided hardware. So to make sure you get them fully tightened, and then also if you had to make any adjustments, you want to make sure that your jam nut is fully tightened. We didn't have to make any adjustments, so our jam nut is still good to go. It comes pre-tightened from SuperATV. Well, there you have it, guys. That's how quick and easy it is to install SuperATV's Sway Bar Shock on this Polaris RZR Turbo S. Be sure to check the description for a link to pick yours up today. While you're there, drop a like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one.